The siren never sounds, but everyone hears it. At midnight, every radio in our isolated town whispers my name. One by one, the windows go black, but one remains lit behind me, so I follow a vibration through empty streets. Wet footprints appear in the road. They lead to my front door, then stop. The handle is already turning. Inside, my radio is unplugged. Still, its speaker stretches into a mouth. No sound comes out, but I feel something breathing against my neck. The dead display flickers. Do not answer. Then my voice whispers from the silent speaker, I'm here. I step back because my mouth is closed. That is when I understand. The siren was never calling from outside. It was listening from inside this room. The radio goes quiet, but the whisper continues beneath my breathing. Your turn. If you heard it too, like, comment, and subscribe for the next story before the silence learns your name.